Now, if all goes well, we'll see the rocket as it goes above the horizon and sees the sun.
Get my phone to record this arc. Oh.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh wow, it is nice. Oh, the bladders. Wonder what's excited him so much.
The noise.
What'd you do? Did you
Look at that.
you record this?
Yep.
Wish I could see what I was doing now. Oh, look at that. That's really gorgeous, huh?
Yeah.
Why is it coming back this way? Paul?
I don't know.
This is strange.
Yes, it is.
It's not supposed to fall like this. Paul, I think we're seeing something not good. That's coming back toward us. And hopefully you're shooting. What the fuck? If I may say so.
Well, you're getting it on video, so that was not a nice thing.
Uh-huh.
No, the engines are still going. So,
Huh? But what is this thing that's forming? Is this part of the plan?
no, I've never seen it like this. I saw a lot of fragments and stuff. I see fragments coming off the thing. No, there's something wrong.
Disaster.
Something wrong. There's fragments coming off of it. Yeah, we're going to hear something. Look at this.
Oh my God. Oh.
It's going to go behind that cloud.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh. Oh, look at what we just got. Huh?
Yep.
Even I did.
Wow.
I mean, it's a spectacular sight.
Wow.
But I'm dying to get the news now. Huh?